Hi DLRs, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to talk about how to set the date and time setting on your VISTA Security System. This is probably going to be one of the last settings that you do set up on one of these when you're installing it or reconfiguring it, but it's a really easy setting to configure. When you do set this setting up, one of the immediate benefits that it's going to give you is you'll be able to check the date and time on any keypad that's connected to the system anywhere in the house or location or building that it's installed in. This is nice if you're walking around at night. It just gives you another place to check what time it is and check the date. The other thing that the date and time setting benefits is that your event log, any events that happen on the system, will have the date and time next to it. And if this is configured correctly, then it helps you figure out what happened when a specific event occurred. The date and time setting on the system, though, it will reset if the system loses power 100%. So if the system does power down, be aware that you will have to reset the date and time setting. You'll also have to readjust it for daylight savings time. Now let's check out how to program this. It's very easy to do. We're just going to take our master code or our installer code and then hit pound 63. I'm going to use the installer code 4112 pound 63. And our date and time setting pops up right here. We're going to click star to begin. This brings us all the way to the left. You see the cursor blinking right there, and lets us set the time. So I'll enter 11, and then we have our minutes right here, 48, and then we have our AM right here. If I hit 1, it'll switch to P, which works for this. Next, it jumps over to the year. You can't change the first 2 digits, as you probably won't need to, but we can certainly change the next 2. So it is 2019, so I will hit 19. Next is the month, which is October. I'll hit 10. And last is the day. I'll hit 11. When your date and time is configured in the manner that you want, hit star, and you're good. Now the date and time is set in the system, and you're good to go. If you do have any questions about how to set the date and time on your VISTA Security System or any other questions relating to the setting, feel free to give us a call at 888-818-7728. Send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com or go to our website, www.alarmgrid.com. If you enjoy the video, feel free to subscribe, and if you want to be notified when we post future videos, hit the notification button below and we'll send you an update when we do so. Thanks for watching and have a great day.